What's up, guys? We're in Q1 2025. Bitcoin's back to 97K. And right now, it looks like the "we're so back" comment is about to be typed in every single YouTuber's videos. In my opinion, I think eventually all the selling that took place recently, they're going to get burned out. They're going to stop selling or they're going to sell everything. And at some point, the market's just going to say, okay, time to go up. And that's probably what we're seeing right now, some signs of it. Bitcoin's probably going to break 100K in the coming days very soon. It could very well go back down a few K again. Over the past couple weeks, Bitcoin was literally going up to like 95K, down to 92K, up to 94K, back down again. So it's been a whirlwind of emotions for many investors. And I see many investors getting shaken out of their blue chip plays. Some are getting, antsy. And listen, I totally get it. I'm still making moves myself. Looking to add some more plays probably in 2025. Some meme coins, some utility plays. We actually added some recently. Which, by the way, if you want to join my Discord, if you want to see my trade alerts, if you want to see my profit taking course, research course, talk to me, talk to other investors who've been here before, who have made money before. It's a great community that I encourage you guys to join my Discord. I'll leave a link in the pinned comments down below. But now let's get into the news out there. If you guys enjoyed these videos, as always, get your tea, which I got some green matcha tea hybrid here, or coffee, and let's get into today's video. Hope you guys had a happy, healthy New Year and a good Christmas. I know I did. It was very chill and relaxing this year. So let's go to this article. Let's amp up the vibe in here. All right. 2025 will be crypto's best year ever, as per Steno Research. Or I'm saying it right. Expect 2025 to be crypto market's best year. Steno Research predicts that Bitcoin and ETH will surpass 150,000 and 8,000 respectively. I do think that's the top for Bitcoin. And yeah, Ethereum probably will be around $8,000, $10,000 max this cycle. So I actually do agree with these numbers. The analysts are also increasingly optimistic about an imminent altcoin season, which I do think could happen. Maybe Q1, Q2. I definitely do see one happening before the summer takes place for next year. The bullish Bitcoin and Ethereum price projections reflect an unprecedentedly favorable regulatory environment for crypto, a supportive macroeconomic climate, aka the Fed, pivoting from their approach of 4 interest rates and now saying 2 because they think inflation, the target's going to be reached faster. And that's not as apparent to be as aggressive. We'll see what happens with that. Marked by declining interest rates and improved liquidity and the historically strong post-Bitcoin halving performance. Obviously, declining interest rates gives businesses and people more money to borrow, which they're going to leverage, they're going to invest it. So that's what the draw is to getting interest rate cuts. It forces people to pivot from their high yield savings accounts, their CDs, which are going to get slashed, and then they just go into risk on assets like crypto, Bitcoin, and stocks, and also ETFs. On top of this, institutional adoption is expected to reach unparalleled levels, further bolstered by significant inflows into US-based Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Also agree. Steno expects Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange trade funds to see net inflows in 2025 of $48 billion and $28.5 billion respectively. And here's the charts of the prediction. Not bad. Altcoin season. What we're all waiting for, right? Ether is poised to perform especially well in 2025, significantly outperforming Bitcoin. I agree. A lot of people right now are losing faith in Bitcoin. They think it's done, that this run is only just Solana for layer ones. Not true whatsoever. In 2025, Steno expects the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio to hit at least 0.06. That is nearly double the current level of around 0.035. This will usher in a broader alternative crypto or altcoin season in 2025, with Bitcoin dominance dropping from its current levels of nearly 57% to around 45%, which is what I said. When Bitcoin drops below 50%, we're in altcoin season, a real one. And in terms of last cycle, when we saw the real rips, it was below 45%, which is on par with this guy's or this company's research analysis. So yes, under 45%. The question is though, because BlackRock's in the market and the ETFs and the banks are here, will it drop below 45% again for the altcoin season, or will below 50% be enough for it to start? That's the big question, and that's where I'll be watching my portfolio like a hawk. We very well could hit that 45% or below target again, or we could hit 47 to 50%. We'll see in due time, right? But what do you think? I'm very curious. Drop a comment and let me know. Bitcoin dominance is measures. Steno's prediction is partly based on the argument that Trump U.S. victory is more favorable for altcoins than for Bitcoin. That is true, especially U.S. companies, hence why we're seeing a rally currently for XRP, XLM, HBAR, Quant, all the U.S. companies, because they are under Trump's regime. Like they're U.S. companies, they're banker coins, and they're very popular amongst U.S. Citizens. So Trump being in office is like a rally for it. But there could be other catalysts too. XRP may get a ETF eventually. They're on the grayscale consideration list. So that also could be a reason why as well. And XRP is also the leading ISO coin, or at least the leading banker coin. ISO is like, people are on the fence. Is it fake? Is it real? At the very least, it's a banker coin, the leader. So if it rises up, you see a lot of the other ones follow suit. Expect the total value locked in decentralized apps to top 300 billion in 2025, far surpassing 2021's high of approximately 180 billion, according to the report. And here's a chart showing that. So far, I gotta say, I really do agree with this article. I do, especially the predictions. They're not too moonish. They're very well articulated, and they got good substance to back them, good reasons to believe why those targets will be met. Others, including asset manager Grayscale, are similarly optimistic. In December, Grayscale added several DeFi applications, including 2 on Solana to its list of 20 tokens. Okay. Grayscale cited the warming U.S. policy environment as a key factor. Trump has promised to appoint industry-friendly leaders to key regulatory agencies and make the U.S. the world's crypto capital, which would be incredible. Would love to see that. In the U.S., with Trump's victory, I am aggressively bullish on the U.S. becoming a global leader in the space by the end of the year. Wow, that article pumped me up. What do you guys think about that? Those price targets, those projections, Ethereum. What do you think is going to happen in the coming months? Let me know down below. Let's get into crypto bubbles now. Let's see what's pumping. Let's see what's down. And then we'll get into the altcoin season index, Bitcoin dominance, and we'll see what's going on. And we'll go over some charts as well. If you guys enjoy this video, by the way, please give a like. It definitely helps a lot. And shows me, guys, you enjoy these videos. All right, so let's get into crypto bubbles now. We got a lot of green now, which is, different from a couple of weeks ago. All red, if not a week ago. You see how quickly the market can just snap your fingers and rebound? A lot of those sellers are going to have regrets. People exiting the market in the last 2 or 3 weeks are going to hate themselves this week, next week, when Trump gets in office. My God. If Bitcoin breaks 100K, watch the FOMO come back in. All right, so some more green here. Not bad. What's this one? Troy? Like the movie? Okay. Not bad. Not bad. What are you guys currently buying, by the way? Are you buying utility coins, meme coins? Are you buying these AI agents, which are trendy like bots? Just curious what you guys are looking at. I see NCT here is doing good. Cybersecurity. Bobo. This isn't the Solana one. Nope. Mudeng on Solana is doing good. PNG is doing very good for us. We'll pull up on a chart later at 34 cents. Little recovery. Not bad. Some coins are pumping a little bit. Some are just flat. It really depends on the coin. What's this one? Pepe Unchained? No, staying away. Shiro. Okay. Cookie. A lot of meme coins are up. See, I keep saying it. Memes are one of the strongest narratives for this cycle. This one dumped after Elon Musk changed his name back instead of Kikius. I see Moonwell is above 6 cents again. Not bad. This one got listed on Gemini. I see DGen's back above. Okay, right around a penny again. Made DCA a little bit more into that soon. We'll see. And okay, let's see what we got in the 2 to 300 range. Okay, I'm looking. Let's see. Okay. Here's Moodang. Over 30 cents. Nice. Good gain for us. Same with GigaChat. GigaChat's been up a lot. We're going to see that one. We got into that one sub 500 million market cap, sub 5 cents actually. And that one's just been nonstop, like just going up very strong. I want to get some more of that one too. Nice aerodromes up. But it just keeps pumping. I want to see it get back down to 5 cents again, but I doubt that's going to happen. I really doubt it. Okay, let's check out top 100 now. Barcoin's up. Wow, this one really was surprising. 1.4 billion. Insane. Insane. What's this one? Dex. Nice. Dog with fat. Good game for us. What's there? Tau. Good gain for us. Nice recovery. Bonk is up. Nice. Pepe's up. Pepe had a nice run too when Elon Musk changed his name to Kikius. He put the Pepe picture. Which is funny. Like, all he has to do is change his picture and the freaking crypto pumps. A multi-billion-dollar market cap crypto pumps. It's insane, right? Okay. Now let's get into the metrics. Let's see what the fear and greed index is. Bitcoin dominance, altcoin season index. I'm very curious. It's been a few days since we checked. We'll see what's trending too. So let's first see what's trending. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, Cardano, XRP, obviously all popular cryptos. Virtual protocol, that was AI one. Farcoin, obviously, I mean, it's in the top 100. Kikius, Maxius, Elon Musk caused that one. Okay, nothing really crazy surprising about this. Let's go back here now. Fear and greed is in the middle of the gas tank. 51. Bitcoin dominance is still 56%. The market cap, though, is up. It's back up. I last saw it below 3.3 trillion. Now we're above 3.4. Let's get a closer look now. Let's see. So fear and greed, 51. Altcoin season index is 48 out of 100, which is pretty much grand smack in the middle like this. And here's a breakdown of the market cap and volume, which it looks like it went down for the past 30 days, but it's definitely up in the past day. Crypto ETFs net flow, 41,300,000. Insane. And here's the breakdown to the dominance. So Ethereum is still above 12%, which is good. I did not want to see Ethereum fall below that 12%. Let's see if we can get a closer look, though, at each one separately. So yesterday, okay. So last week, Bitcoin dominance was higher. Ethereum is recovering from last week. Okay. Okay, let's check out fear and greed now. Yesterday was neutral. Last week was 63 greed. So this is a nice little indicator of where we are. We're pretty much on the fence, right? Let's go to now the altcoin season index. So yesterday was 48, last week 41. So this is actually up a little bit, which makes sense because altcoins are up a little bit. Now let's pull up some charts. Let's see what's going on. Let's check out Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana to start. And then we'll go over some, I want to go over some meme coins in this video that are going to be sleeping giants, especially if you're a Coinbase user. Some good meme coins that can give you 10 to 50x gains. Yes, even from here. So we'll pull up those a little bit later, as well as, we'll go over some utility plays too. Why not? So Bitcoin's up 3% in a day, past 7 days, relatively flat, past month, flat. Okay, I want to see us break above 100K again. Sentiment is pretty much around the same. Let's pull up Ethereum. Ethereum is finally above 3,300 again. I'm glad it didn't fall below 3,000. Over 34 is pretty good. When this breaks 4,000 again, it's going to be a nice little rally. 4% in the past week, past month still down. Okay, let's pull up Solana now. I think Solana broke 200 again. Yep, it did. 207, not bad. 7% of the day, 9% of the week, down 10% of the month. Okay. Now let's go over some meme coins, some Coinbase meme coins. These are safe meme coins because they're on Coinbase and they have good liquidity. Okay, obviously they're meme coins. Do your own research, but I'm just telling you the ones I'm most bullish on that are on Coinbase. GigaChad is our most recent one. Great play. I think it's going to hit $1 or more this bull cycle, which would be around a 9.6 billion market cap. That'd be a credible gain over a 10x from here. Chart speaks for itself. If we move on to Bonk, which just did a burn on Christmas over 1 trillion coins, also a 10xer in the making, which I think it can even go higher than that. And 10x is 24 billion. I think it has a shot to hit 50 billion, which is around where SHIB hit last cycle. I think it's going to be the Solana SHIB of this cycle. It's a very likable crypto, and it's a very strong community. Turbo, one of my most bullish meme coins. This one surprisingly can 50x from this price. But we'll be conservative. We'll say 10 to 50x. I think, honestly, a 20 at 50x is more likely. I think it's going to hit 25 to 50 cents. 10 cents is very conservative. And it's only a 600 million market cap. So a 10x is 6 billion, which means a 20x is 12 billion, which is, to me, it's very doable for Turbo. Chart is very bullish. It should be getting on Robinhood soon, which I can't wait. Which, by the way, GigaChad, it's not yet on Binance. I do believe Binance will list it soon. Let me just double check here and make sure. Yeah, so it's not on Binance yet. I wouldn't be surprised if Binance is buying it, which is why this thing's been rising up in the past week for us. I would not be surprised if Binance is buying it. Moodang, another crypto that I'm waiting for a Binance listing. Again, don't be surprised if Binance lists this coin. They love meme coins. It's also up 10% in the past day, but it's down 45% in the past month. This crypto was a great entry for us. Let me just double check here. Yep, it's not on Binance yet. Another one that's on Robinhood and Coinbase is Dog with Hat. This one to me has a very strong community. Also a very good coin, meme coin for Solana's chain. I like it a lot. Also has a very bullish chart and a lot of avenues for investors to buy it, aka Coinbase, Robinhood, and pretty much every exchange. As you can see here, Binance as well. If we're moving on, Pepe, to me, this is the hedge of all hedges when it comes to meme coins. It's on every exchange. It's a large cap for a meme coin, but it can still give you roughly a 10x from here, which will be a crazy gain. A 10x for a meme coin of this size would be remarkable. One of the most bullish charts, not just for memes, but all crypto. So I would say a 5-10x out of this. I forgot to give my targets for Moodang. Moodang, I think, is going to 10 to 30x, which is very bullish, but it can happen. Don't be surprised, especially once it gets on Binance. I think those are the only ones I missed, right? And then next up, we got DGen. DGen, I think, could hit 25 cents this cycle, which would be around 25x. I would say anywhere from 10 to 25 cents, which is very doable. It's actually nearly fully diluted, which is wrong. Okay, it's actually 93% circulating, which is why it dumped the way it did in the past month. This one is very bullish because it's a part of Base. It's part of Base's DGen chain, a layer 3 chain, and is used for gas. It's not as memeable as Moodang, GigaChad, Turbo, Bonk, Pepe, Dog with Hat, but it's a base meme coin first bull cycle. So it has that Coinbase back in plus the ties to the DGen chain, which I think is hard to ignore. So these are my strongest meme coins for this cycle. I'm going to probably add some more because memes are very strong, but these are a very strong lineup. And if you want to stay on base, I'm telling you guys right now, Aerodrome is one of the most bullish for base. It's the main DEX for base. If you want to stay in DeFi within base, I think Moonwell is very strong. If you want a AI play that's undervalued and also very strong, Art Block, which people are losing conviction for, which I naturally want to buy some more of. But I have a huge bag of Art Block, so I'm pretty much done buying. Been buying it for a long time. But Art Block is another play that's going to surprise many investors when it does wake up again and run. People tend to forget about how strong Art Block was running in the past. They look at this now and go, oh, that's it. It's over. Not by a long shot. It's still got a lot more room for growth. Potential Tau is also a very strong one for AI. It's a fair launch AI play, very scarce, and also ties to AI. So it's going to do very well. A recent play we just added is Shadow Token, which if you're looking at this right now, this is cheaper than our first entry. Okay, this is Solana DPIN. It is infrastructure on Solana's chain. Very bullish, has one of the best tokenomics I've seen for a crypto. Almost fully diluted, less than a 200 million supply. First bull cycle got launched in a bear market and is on Coinbase, and let's see where else. Coinbase, Gate.io, Crypto.com, some good exchange listings. And here's the chart, which doesn't look great, but remember, it was launched in a bear market, okay? This means we caught this near the bottom. Okay, it's a 100 million market cap. A lot of these utility coins are going to go to multi-billions in market cap. DPIN is a very bullish narrative for Solana's chain, for Ethereum's chain. It's part of Web3 as well. It's the future, okay? So if you believe in DPIN, if you want to diversify play within Solana's ecosystem that's scarce and still has room for growth, I think Shadow Token should be on your watch list as well. I may DCA into this one further if it dips below 60 cents again. So I'll keep my eye on that one. Let's see how PNG is doing. PNG, my bag is set for this one. It's nice to see some growth for it. Also, very good tokenomics. I cannot wait to see this one rip. Also, exposure to many different ecosystems. And then GFI, I have a feeling, even though right now it's down, it's going to eventually wake up. The ties to BlackRock and the backing by Coinbase will eventually reveal itself in due time. I feel like right now it just kind of following the rest of the market. It's dumping. But yeah, GFI is also another play that I'm pretty bullish on. Do your own research and see which ones you like. But yeah, I mean, I gave you guys a lot of cryptos in this video. Right now, my focus, I did add Shadow Token recently. My utility bags are pretty much set. I may add some more AI plays, this year in 2025. Definitely going to add some more memes in the near future. I think memes, again, are very strong. But again, if you want to join my group for these trade alerts that will be coming in the near future, then I encourage you to join my Discord. Link will be in the pinned comments down below. But anyways, now I want to hear from you. What is your most bullish narrative for crypto this cycle? Drop your comment down below and let me know. With that being said, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.